Great, super. So we've just finished this door where we did inside and out. Victoria is with us. She's the owner. And I just asked her to say a few nice things about our company. So, yeah, go ahead. Whatever you'd like to say.
We found Jeff and we were so happy that we did because he truly is a master craftsman at his craft. The doors came out absolutely gorgeous. They're the color that we wanted, just everything. And he did such an exceptional job, and he provided us with a kit to maintain the door so it will always stay this way, and we're just so very, very happy.
Now, on this project, we did the inside and the outside, which is unusual, you know?
Yes.
So how did the inside come out?
Oh my gosh, the inside is just, it's gorgeous. It matches the dark hardwood floors that we had because the doors before were very, very light, and it just finishes the whole room. It's really beautiful.
Terrific. Well, I sure appreciate, helping us out with a testimonial.
Well, we appreciate you.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.